Need to fix Character.AI not working? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue on Character.AI app. First thing first, move into your application Character.AI. Once you're inside the app, close the application and then reopen it. It will refresh the app. If not, the next thing you can try doing is move into any of the web browser. And then in the address bar, search for Character.AI outage. Now you can head over to any of the site. In this page, you will be able to see whether the server of Character.AI is down or not. If the server is down, then all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed and then you'll be good to go. If not, try checking whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Make sure you are connected to stable internet. Once done, now the next thing you want to try doing is move into the App Store on a device. Inside App Store, in the address bar, search for Character.AI. Move into this app right here. Make sure that the application is up to date, so click on Update if the option is available. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.